To use the date and time provided by your mobile network on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable automatic date and time feature. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management, tap date and time, and then tap the gray on off switch next to automatic date and time until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With this setting, now your phone will automatically use the date and time provided by your mobile network, so you can avoid errors when you adjust it manually. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.